Oh shit, dope. You talk. That's you, CJ, that wrote that. I don't know if he can hear me. Yo, can y'all hear me? My shit. All right, word. Oh my god, this shit is itchy. Shit's itchy as fuck. If anyone's if you join, if you're watching this on Telegram, like if you guys want to join the Zoom call that I'm in, all you got to do is go to my YouTube channel, which is SLZYFX, and then click on my description video on my latest video, and there's going to be the link. And then there's going to be a link to it. Oh shit. Actually, I probably can send the link through here. So it's in the description. Just copy that, I guess, and paste it. I don't know. Or maybe click on that link in the description if it popped up. I'm not too sure, and you guys can join that. Otherwise, let me see. Yeah, there's pretty much no other way. Just go on my YouTube channel, and yeah. So go to my YouTube channel. It's SLZYFX. So click on my videos, and then it's going to be in the description is the Telegram, and I have a link to the Zoom call that I'm in right now. So if you guys want to join that and actually talk and stuff, then we can go ahead and make that happen. Otherwise, just feel free to watch on Telegram. Not Telegram, but TradingView. So at the moment, my technical analysis says it's broken bearish trend in the 4-hour and is retesting to continue to be bullish upwards to 166. I mean, yeah, I definitely see a continuation to the upside if we can break the current structure. So the short term, the market's pulling back right now. If you look at the lower time frames, we're in this downwards trend. So pretty much I'm not looking for no buys until price can clear these highs. I would want to see a break of structure to the upside. So I would want to see how price is creating these lows and highs, double top right here. See price clear these highs, come down, and then we'll ride this up. But price has a little ways to go. It's pretty much going to be the waiting game for buys. Now we could look for buys if price creates a new high here. So if price can clear and create a new high here, I'll be potentially looking for buys. I'll be interested in buys because then you have this high right here that price will be breaking. Um, if not, this, if price pushes down and kind of creates more of a high, I'd be down for that. If not, realistically, I want to see this high be broken. So, but pretty much just waiting at this point. But yeah, I definitely see the 166 getting hit. Um, I mean, I want to see 166 getting hit right now, but at least 164. Like I see price heading. Our first zone we have to get to is 164. If we can get to 164, break that zone, then 166 would be the target, which is a good 300 pips, 200, which could happen. So the market could break to the upside during London session, and then just continuation, which just landed on my foot. A continuation, uh, a continuation during New York. So we'll see. Before entering buys, though, just gotta be patient, man. Just gotta wait for that break of structure. Honestly, I might even head down to the 1 minute and just be patient. Just be patient. So all we're looking for, guys, is just a break of structure. So you see how you have these highs right here, price to clear. Realistically, honestly, I want to see this high get broken. So price come up here and then take off. I like the 2 hour better. It's kind of a little bit more cleaner. So I would want to see price break above these highs. Right? And then price may come down for this demand zone entry. So we may see price break structure to the upside, breaking above these highs, showing that there's more buyers and sellers in the market, and the market's gearing up to be bullish. And then what we may see is price push back down and kind of push into this zone area right here. Pretty much just wait at this point. It just doesn't make any sense to buy right now, just where price is at. It's literally in no man's land. There's no lower time frame confirmations or anything. What's going on, Big Ben Japan? If you guys are watching this on Telegram and you guys want to actually join the Zoom call that I'm in, all you literally have to do is go to my YouTube channel. It's the same as my trading view username. It's sleazy fx, and then go into my description and one of my videos, my recent videos, and my Telegram link is going to be in there. Once you have the Telegram link, it's the most recent link that I posted is to join this Telegram. It's the waiting game, waiting game. Yo, so if you guys are interested in joining our live, you got 8 people watching on TradingView. Got some people on oh my gosh, I'm blanking out, on Zoom. So if you guys are interested in joining, just DM me and I'll send you the link. Again, all I'm really looking for is that lower time frame confirmation. Now, if you look at the higher time frames, you clearly see that the market is bullish. Like we're clear as day. We can see that the market is bullish, right? We know that the current trend is bullish. But for us to feel confident the market wants to continue to go higher, we got to see lower time frame confluence. There's no point in us getting in the market now and then waiting for price to show break a structure. It's just literally makes zero sense. But also, that doesn't mean I'm not against taking sells. You know what I'm saying? Like, if we break structure, so if we break below this zone, like if we break below and then kind of like retest levels and kind of create a lower high position, then like I'll just be reversing it and targeting these lows. Like, I just want to see what price is trying to do. Overall, though, the higher time frame trend is bullish, so that's what essentially I'm looking for right now. But just pretty much just trying to be patient, seeing what's going on. Live. Also, so what we see here is pretty good too. We see how price broke structure. So you see how 50% of this last high and this last low that got broken, price came back to this demand zone, because this is straight demand. So that's a good confirmation that prices has signs of being bullish and continue going up. But what I want to look for is this break of structure, which is kind of happening at the moment. So just got to be patient. All right, so now we're starting to see that break of structure. So now we're starting to get the green light. Let's see. I don't know. Actually, why am I on this one? All right, so pretty much now we're seeing that price broke above. So we now have now we have that buy confirmation that price is bullish. So now I'm pretty much just looking for an entry. Um, so hopefully we get one. If not, then we just don't really get one. But I want to see price now come down and retest and then come higher. And I'll show you an example. Something like this, right? Uh, you see how you have a high, a lower high, a lower high, and lower high. Price breaks out. So I want to see price break out and then come back, and then that's where we enter. You see how you have this resistance. I want to see price break it and then give us an entry. Same thing here, how we caught these buys, right? Price broke out a little bit, and then it gave us that retest, and then the entry, and then take off. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. Now I want to see price come back down. So as price is coming down right now, guys, if you guys want, just be paying a close attention because I'm gonna be entering the market pretty soon. Um, if you guys want, you guys enter buys right here. Right here, you guys can enter. Stop loss though, I'd have down here for like 16 pips all the way down here at this low, but price is sitting at a certain area where price can just fly from here and push back up to the upside. I'm waiting a little bit more. I want to see price reject. Price may come a little bit lower based off this. I want to see price reject off this trend line, but you guys can enter. I'm gonna let you guys know when I enter the trade. Pretty much at any given point now is a perfect time to enter. I'm going to enter. All right. All right. So now I just entered buys. I'm in the trade, letting everyone know I'm in the buys. I think my stop loss is way too tight. I'm tripping. I might get stopped out. I should have my stop loss fucking down here. I'm gonna let this play out though. And remember, guys, post your trades. Every trade you take, just post it so you can back test. Just keep it private. Just put trend analysis, publish it, and then that way, you know, you can go back and back test it and just see, okay, boom, it didn't play out. All right, this is what I have to do. So if we look at this, price broke structure to the upsides. Now price is in the area of demand. So now this whole area is buying interest. I'm interested in buying this whole area. I have a very tight stop on this though, guys. So if price, if oh, it's looking like we're about to be in profit. If price can actually not stop us out, this is my exact entry and stop loss. 216 is my entry, and then 124 is my stop loss. Okay, what the heck is going on? This is my entry and stop loss. And again, entries off the lower time frames. What do I talk about? Entries are off the lower time frames. Take profits. Exit points are based off higher time frames. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the hourly time frame and I'm going to market my first target of highs, which is going to be this area, 164 is my first area. And that's a 1 to 8. Jesus. Oh my God. Again, guys, just letting you know, my stop loss is tight. Like, price could stop me out and still be right in direction. And if that does happen, I'll just re-enter to the trade. But I'm just going to let it ride out. Me too. How long until we will be in profit? I don't know, bro. I have no clue. The thing is, I don't even know if this is a winning trade, bro. I just trade my strategy. Whatever trades win are gonna win. Whatever trades lose are gonna lose. Like I just trade. I just trade exactly how my strategy is. You know what I'm saying? Um, but I will say this: usually around 12 a.m. my time, so in about 45 minutes, London session will open up, and we'll see how that plays out. So I have the zones I'm looking at is 16400, 16500, and then 165.879 is that take profit. The last one I'm looking at. 165.879 is where my TP is at, but that doesn't mean I'm holding for that entire amount. That entire amount is like a 1 to 30 risk reward. So I mean, I'm not saying that price won't do that, but obviously I'm not trying to, say that's what I'm about to go and catch, obviously. But we'll see. I'm in profit right now. So I'm gonna highlight this area because this is a key area in the market. And those are quarter point levels, 16400, 166. These are major quarter point levels where price can react from. Um, Everyone should be in profit. So overall TP again is set at 165,879. 165,879. That doesn't mean I'm holding for that entire amount, but I just have my take profit set there. based off what I'm seeing, that's where I'd be looking to secure 165.87. So first, so this is a 1 to 29 risk reward. That's a 1 to 20, and then this is a 1 to 8. So if any of these get hit, it is a marvelous trading day. And that 165 though is a very key area. If you look at it, you see resistance, you see support, 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 support. So honestly, in my opinion, like take profit would be realistically right here at 16500. Honestly, I'm gonna remove this. So if this is a winning trade and it is gonna play out, I'll be exiting at 165 based off this price action. Now again, that doesn't mean that this is gonna be a winning trade. That doesn't mean that, you know what I'm saying, I'm holding it to that point. I'm just calling what I see at this point. Because a lot of times you'll be in deep profit and then you look at the market and you don't look like and realize like damn, like look at this. Like that's all 165. This is a major zone. So 16400 and 16500 is the two take profit targets that I'm looking at. Again, 16400 is the first target, and then 16500, and then that's it for 1 to 20. And again, why do we take this trade? So we can break it down. We go in the hourly time frame. The market is in an uptrend, right? Uptrend. We've been in an uptrend. Going to 4-hour time frame, we're sitting at the support level. And then when we scale down to the lower time frames, we had a high, we had a lower high, right? We have this whole zone of consolidation. Price breaks out of the consolidation, retests as demand or support, whatever you want to call it, and then price is taking off to the upside and pushing up at this point. So we have this break of structure. We waited until the break of structure to get in the market. We did not get in before or well after. We waited for that break of structure in the directional bias of the market. And that's it. Yo, my stop loss is fucking tight, bro. And again, very first TP is obviously going to be clearing these highs. So I'm going to say cleared lower time range. Did I write cleared right? I don't even know. Fuck it. Hi team, can someone tell me how to zoom out of the window? It looks like 150% zoomed in. That's because I'm zoomed in. All you're pretty much looking for, shit, you can zoom out and see that? Damn, that's crazy. Control, damn. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. We about to get GJ tatted on our arm, yo. It's looking good, I'm not gonna lie. It's looking pretty good. Again, my take profit is set at 16500. Um, that's my overall take profit. First test will be us clearing these highs. If we clear these highs, it will be getting to 16400, clearing these highs right here, and then if we can get past that, then I'm gonna close out for right here. 178 pips. It's like a 1 to 19, almost 1 to 20 risk to reward. Yo, are you talking? I can't hear you. Shit. Oh, I thought it was me. Yeah, so like also too guys, like it's not even New York, it's not even London session yet. It's still pre-London, so I mean, we just gotta wait and see. Hopefully when London session opens up, it's in our favor. Um I honestly should check Forex Factory. So with Forex Factory, there's no GPP high impact news, so that's good. We don't have to worry about this. So honestly, if the market's just bullish, honestly, you guys probably if let's say the market opens up and we're bullish and we're creating higher highs and higher lows, like y'all probably can just hold this shit honestly. But to like 165 if we can get there. But we'll see. Bro, GJ, what the fuck? Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Topic. We'll see though. My stop loss is like invalid. Like it's in the area of fluctuation, but it's too late at this point. I don't want to. If price doesn't want to go that low, then obviously I'll be fine. But if price does go this low, I would have to adjust it, which I'm not gonna do. I'd rather just get stopped out, take the 1% loss, and then just re-enter. Um, but I'm just gonna leave it alone for right now. But other than that, we'll see how it plays out. I mean, during London session opening, which we got 20 minutes. Hopefully there's no like crazy volume or anything, and price can kind of really just respect it well. But honestly, if you look at the 15, it looks pretty good. 15 looks better than the 5, honestly. The 5 looks kind of ugly with this little push down, but I'm ignoring that. A lot of times price will do that and come right back up, so we'll see. But the 15 looks pretty good. 15-minute time frame. All right, now we're back in profit. And again, all these candles are orange, right? And the reason why they're orange is because it's showing that the trend is bullish. The current trend is uptrend. You see? You see when the market was in this downtrend, all these candles were black. So that's another indication that the market is currently bullish. That doesn't mean it couldn't be bearish, but it at least means that we're following what we're seeing, right? We're following the trend, and then just following the trend and using market structure. Eventually, at a certain point, the market is going to switch. But as of right now, man, we're just going to keep the wave going. Damn, do I got a dead pixel? Oh my gosh. Is my monitor? Oh my god, I got a dead pixel. Damn, that sucks. Fuck. If you get the 3-point trend line, you're good with this setup. What is the VAR trend indicator name? The indicator I'm using, this one, it's called Trend Trader Strategy, and it just shows you the trend. And it's by this person. So go to indicators, search it up, and then this is gonna, oh my gosh, flies. This is gonna pop up. It's right here, and it's by H Potter, and it's this one right here, 6524. It is Trend Trader Strategy, and then these are my settings. The length I have at 50, and then the multiplier is set at 5.5, and then I have this completely set to 0, and obviously I have this one black and this one orange, and that's it. This is just a sessions indicator. You do not need it. And then this is the 50 SMA, but honestly, you don't even need that. Yo, the area of 216 on the 15-minute time frame is literally no on the 5-minute time frame is literally in wick. I don't know where you guys entered at. Yeah, just drop your and I'll just follow you. Drop your you what do you call it? Your Instagram or something. Unless you're talking about on here, I'll follow you on here. Um, what is I don't even know how to fucking do this shit. Oh, I think it popped up. And again, guys, like if you're holding this long term, as soon as we break above that 16400 level, like that's where you can put stops at break even. When we break above this area and then retest it, then like put your stops at break even or above this area up here. When we clear above 165,700 and then kind of create that low and then create that high again, that's where we'll be kind of like you can put stops at break even. But honestly, you don't really need to worry about that. Like if price is bullish, it's gonna keep going up. It's not gonna stop you out. Should I buy GJ? I mean, I've been bought GJ, but it's up to you, bro. I'm not gonna like tell you to buy GJ because I did, but I am in a buy on GJ. This is my entry. The reason why I got in is because the current trend is in an uptrend. Obviously, price is sitting at a major support level based off the higher time frames. And then when you scale down to the lower time frames, we have a break of structure in the directional bias of the higher time frame trend. So that's it. Whether it goes up is irrelevant. This is all I do. I think someone said. So is it worth buying? Okay. I mean, you see me in a buy, man. Like I don't know. I don't know what else to tell you. Don't stop, we're in love now. Don't stop, there's so much to be found. Also, if you guys should check this website out, you can like watch free movies and shit. It's called Go Movies. Fucking dope. How about GBP USD? I sold. Should I hold? Ooh, we're looking good on GJ. Um, if you can, Tesla, write down why did you sell them? Why did you sell GU? I'm just curious. Because personally, just write down if you can, like why'd you sold GU? I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't see why you sold GU, bro. I don't see not one indication for sales. So like I'll break it down. The market's in a current uptrend on GU, and price literally sat at a demand zone. So this is just complete demand, right? Price gave a demand zone entry, and then you go in the 5 minute time frame, and then price gave a break of structure off this minor time frame pullback, which is price creating lower lows and lower highs. So now the current trend is not bullish. So like honestly, I'm not saying that you're wrong, but like I wouldn't have took a sell. Your trade could play out, but that's just my opinion. Like I don't see sells at all. Now, what would make me sell the market is if price were to break below this low, and then we seen something like this. And then price, I want to see price break out, close below this previous low, and then once it breaks out, I'm still not selling the market yet. Even when price comes up, I'm still not selling it as it's pushing up. Once price retests this zone, right? Now, once price retests that zone, I'm gonna scale down to the 5 minute time frame, and then I want to see, right, when I go in the 5 minute and the 3 minute time frame, as price is creating higher highs and higher lows, and it looks like this in the lower time frames, I want to see price break below a previous low, break it out, and then I'm going to enter when price retests that area, and then entry point, stop loss, and then like let's say my take profit would be down here. That's what I would kind of look for, but in my opinion right now I'm looking for, I'd still see buys. You could be right, but that's just what I'm seeing. Bro, oh my god, GJ is really pissing me off. Ugh. Bro, we're literally up a 1-1. Price is coming back to entry. Like, what the fuck? And it's giving these like strong drops. Like, but if you look at it on a 15, it didn't really do nothing. Like, that's the reason why I don't like staring at the 5 minute. Price is still valid. I'm so annoyed at my stop loss. My stop loss is at 163.124. So that shit is like, my shit is like right here. It's like, ugh. But honestly, this looks good. Like if I were to just get in a trade right now, that looks pretty good. You have a high, lower high. Price broke above these highs. Entry at this support level. Stop loss right here, and then first TP right at these highs. That alone right there, man. That's a 1 to 4, 1 to 3.77. This alone, like if you caught trades like this a day, you're good. Like I'm gonna post this, even though I already posted this trade because I'm in it. But Got 5 minutes. Put your stop loss to entry if you're unsafe. Nah, there's no point because the market hasn't created no highs or anything. Like the market's still literally at my entry. You said it has broken the golden zone on the 50% on the fib, and you're good. Gee. And you also have good signs of a trend with bar color, structure, and stuff. Yo, Nelson on YouTube, I did follow you back or followed you, whatever. I believe so. If it's not the right one, just follow me and I'll follow you back because I think you're watching on YouTube. But the market's about to open, guys, in like 3 minutes, so we'll see, man. We've been getting back and forth. Um, and that's like again, that's why I don't put my stop loss at break even. You don't even need to, honestly. Like I don't know. Like if the market's gonna be bullish, then it's gonna go up and not hit your stop loss. Like if you're wrong in the trade, it's gonna stop you out. Like I'm not trying to prevent myself from losing money. Like it's part of the game. But as you can see, like it seems more bullish than bearish. Like we keep pushing up. No matter how much price comes back down, it comes right back up. And when you look at the 15-minute time frame, like the market really didn't do anything. It's just the fact that the 5 minute looks like it's consolidating and choppy. The 3 minute looks like it's just completely just consolidating, going back and forth, back and forth. But again, like what I'm hoping for in the next 2 minutes is for you good, CJ. What I'm hoping for is for London session in the next like minute to really give us volume. But we'll see, man. Hopefully your guys and your stop loss is better. Like honestly, I, stop loss should be here, if not right here, if I'm being real. But my shit is really in no man's land. Like there's really no reason why my stop loss should be there. I feel like I got on the charts early today because I usually get on at 11. Because I feel like we've been on live already for like an hour plus. So the market just opened up. So let me see if I get hold or not. Oh yeah, I'm probably gonna get hold. If I get stopped out, I'll just wait and see if price still wants to be bullish, and I'll re-enter. But I'm gonna see what the opening is gonna do. And again, for everyone watching, this is my stop loss. This 124 area. Also, I recommend looking at it on the 15 minute time frame and above, so you guys don't get sketched out. Because looking at it on the 5, like it's gonna like scare you a little bit. But if you're looking at the 15, you like, yo, like this looks smooth. Like there's nothing to trip about. Like so. The good thing is though that if price does plays out and this is a winning trade, there's a lot of room for price to grow. There's a lot of room. There's a lot of price action here. There's a lot of space in the market where price can head to, if that makes sense. I know like that kind of is a horrible explanation, but basically what I'm saying is like our next zone, our next like target is all the way up here. There's clear traffic for like 90 pips. And then after that, you have literally like 100 pips before you even hit a 165 quarter point. And then after that, it's just straight to 166. All right, so I might actually get stopped out. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out. Oh, I did draw up this though. So like if I get stopped out, which I haven't yet, but stop loss is going to be down here. Entry is going to be somewhere around here. But I want to see how price reacts a little bit before I re-enter a trade if I get stopped out. Because we could be bearish. We could just drop off. Because the market has been bullish for a little while. So we have that to worry about. But as of right now, all that hasn't happened yet. So we're going to continue with buys. But just letting you guys know, my stop loss is invalid. This is not a valid stop loss. The stop loss is literally just based off no structure at all. Because literally the low is right here. My shit is all the way in the middle of like fluctuation. So that is my mistake. Like as you can see, I'm right back to break even, and I was like a half a pip from being stopped out. So that's on my fault. But the thing that I do is if I put an invalid stop, I'm just gonna leave it because it may not even hit my stop loss, but if I adjust my stop loss and then it gets hit, I may be in the wrong trade. So instead of me losing just 1%, I can lose like 2 to 3%. So it's like you're better off just taking a normal loss and re-entering if you're going to take another trade. But I'd either that or close the trade out. But thing is, closing the trade out, it could be a winner and it could not hit your stop loss. So it's just what's up to you, honestly. And again, like this whole zone is entry. Even where my stop loss is at, it's entry. Like that, this whole zone is buy. You can buy the market in this whole area of interest. So like, just make sure when you're putting a stop loss and it gets hit that hey, is my stop loss valid? If it's not valid, then don't be so quick to look to do the opposite of what you did. So don't be too quick to look for sells just because you got stopped out. You know what I'm saying? But so far so good. We're still in the trade. Fucking spoke too soon. Like what the fuck? All right, yeah, it just stopped me out. Again, the market is still technically still valid for buys until we break below this low. Honestly, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this zone on this chart. Price right now is sitting at demand. Only thing though is like this is a very that was a very aggressive stop. I mean drop. So I don't know. I'm gonna kind of let this sizzle for a little bit. I don't think it sells just yet, man. You gotta wait for price to break structure. Because price is still at this demand zone. This is all demand. Price still really didn't do anything yet. But if we break below this zone, then I will sell it. But as of right now, like bro, like I've seen this happen plenty of times. It did it even right here this day. This day right here, I caught the buys, dropped, price came all the way back down. I bought it again. It came up, it dropped, came up, it dropped. So you just gotta really, really just see what price you're trying to do first. But it could be sells, I'm not gonna lie. The market has been bullish for days, and I think it's Wednesday, so midweek reversal could be happening right now, but we'll see. So far I still see buys though. All right, I'm entering buys again. Oh my god, my fucking entry is leaving me. Bro, what the fuck? Damn, I got a terrible fucking entry. I'm not even gonna lie. I honestly should have fucking entered when price got down to here, because this whole thing right here is demand. So this is the last demand zone, is right here at this level, and I should have fucking bought. Hold on, I'm gonna close out. My entry is terrible. If price comes back down, I'll enter it, but honestly, I'd rather fucking close it. I still see buys though. Whoever's in this trade, I still see buys. It's just I hate when my entry should have been right here, and like my fucking whole trade is literally half the size of I would want it to be. So I'm on a funded account at the moment. So I'm using my forex funds, but if I'm not using my forex funds, I'm using like HeyForex. They're like the best brokers so far that I've seen. Oh my god, bro, this shit really left me, bro. I'm sick. Fuck, bro. Oh my gosh. That's dope, bro. Congrats to everyone who's still in the buy. Fuck. This shit left me, bro. I fucking hesitated. And then like the buy that I was in, like literally like that shit entry was terrible. Congrats for everyone who's in this shit though. Fuck, bro. Trying to sneak my ass entry real quick. Again, also for everyone who's in here, that's still in the buy, same targets. Yo, this shit is so choppy. Like, look at this shit. Again, don't mind me, man. I'm just fucking with the charts right now. Don't just follow what I'm doing right now. I'm just messing with it. But yeah, I still see buys currently, guys. If we break below this zone, then obviously I see sells. But until then, just keep looking for buys. Let it play out its rising flat pattern, then wait for the breakout. I'm not gonna lie, man. This is probably the choppiest day out of the whole week on GJ. I mean, you look at days like this is way better. This is like, look at this shit. Look at this. Like today, like, oh, this was fucking good, but today this shit is like crazy. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm still seeing buys. This reason why it's important, man, is to don't let it fuck you up. I don't know if it's gonna be a win or not, but I mean, technically it was a winner because it was up 1-1, but my stop loss was invalid. But this trade rate is still valid, man. This is why it's so important to know market structure. Really good. Because anyway, I have to go. Thank you again. I invite you. No problem, man. I think he already left, but appreciate you joining, man. But this reason why it's so important to make sure you guys know your market structure, see your supply and demands on your support zones. Make sure that if they're still being respected, then don't sell the market. Sell the market when price breaks below this low right here, and then sell it.